Hi guys, my name is Manna with Manna Kadar Beauty, and I'm so excited for this bundle with AIA. So we're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing and get ready with me. These are my absolute favorites that I had to get into your hands. So I'm gonna show you just a really quick and easy way to get ready with me. We're gonna do this in a quick, like 7 minutes or less. Let me show you all the goodies in this bundle here. First, we have our face mist. I already applied this on as a primer, but I put a little bit of foundation on first. We have our HD powder, our Uptown, which is like a dual use bronzer, and our Turn It Up Mascara. We have a Lash Serum, but wait, there's more. And we also have our lip products for you. So let's get to it. I just want to let you know that my lashes, I use this Lash Serum nightly on my lashes, and the growth has been phenomenal and incredible. So of course we have to be extra with a little jewel on our Lash Serum, and you just simply apply right at your lashes in the evening. You can even do this in the day as a conditioner as well, but I do it every night. And it really gives you a lot of volume. Just be patient, it does take 4 to 6 weeks for it to take into effect. I had applied the face mist. You can use this as a primer or the moisturizing face mist through the day as a refresher, or at the end like we're gonna use it to set. And right now with all of the face masks that we have to wear, we really have to be cognizant about keeping our makeup intact and not having to reapply. So that's what makes all of these products so great, is because you have a ton of pigment and they're super long wear, so you don't have to worry about the colors feathering or fading throughout the day. So I am a blush girl and I love colors on the cheek. I think it really just gives you so much life. So this is nice because we have a bronzer, highlighter, and a blush. So we're gonna just apply the blush right to your cheeks, and then it's buildable too. So you can just apply as much or as little as you like. I love blush, so I am all in with my blush. And you can see as I'm adding more and more, you're getting more blush to this. Now I'm just gonna apply just for a little bit of shimmer, this color right over. It really adds like a highlighter to your cheekbones, and I like highlighter all over, so I'm going to apply this right to the tip of my nose as well. And then you can always do some on your décolleté and your collarbone. Because we're all about double duty, I like to actually use these colors on my lid as well. So I'm just going to go into my lid with a little bit of this pink color, and then I'm going to put the highlighter bronzer color on my brow bone. And you can just use this one compact for your eyes and your cheeks. Who does not love a multi-function product to simplify your routine? And then we're just gonna go in a little bit under eye with the pink as well. A pop of color. How incredible is that? Okay, now we're gonna use our HD powder. This is really great. This is like Photoshop in a compact, right? So you can use this by itself or on top of foundation, and it really just sets your look. You can use this to touch up or just by itself. So again, really universal color for any skin type. That's that. And then we are gonna use our Turn It Up Mascara. All right, so this is really amazing. There are some great fibers that are in this mascara. So what a difference like one coat of mascara makes on the bottom of the lashes. I mean, you can do this or not, but I just love to just complete the look this way. And again, this is a really buildable formula. There are fibers in this mascara, so it'll naturally build upon your lashes. Okay, that's looking pretty fab. All right. We just have a couple more things to do and we are done with our look. So this is Sienna, and it's a 3-in-1 product. It's your primer, your lip gloss, and your lip stain all in one. There's a really nice doe foot applicator here, so you can use that as your lip liner. And then you just fill in. So again, we don't need separate products here. Okay, last but not least is our face mist product. This is called Hydration Happy, and we are just gonna spray a little bit to set. It smells divine as well. And we are all done. Thanks for getting ready with me, guys.